And if you say these aren't worth jack, this cat's got a message for you. Boy, do I have a quick and dirty reselling tip for you today. It's advice that I heard 10 years ago, and it has been invaluable to me over the past 10 years. So I'm sharing it with you. That advice is to take your emotions out of reselling. Sounds kind of like dramatic. What the hell do I mean? What I don't mean is like this HP Signature Collection. Oh, I love you, HP Inc. Or this Disney Classic. Disney Classic, like go. I don't mean those kind of emotions. What I'm saying is you have an emotional attachment of the value of items. You may think something has value that doesn't actually have value, and vice versa. Assume that something doesn't have value, but it has value to other people. We live in a consuming society like no other, and people just want to buy stuff. There's a lot of collectors out in the world of basically everything. So take your emotional attachment and your emotional bias of what a value of something might have out of the equation. A couple of quick examples are things that I found at a garage sale this past weekend. I got this for $4. You may look at a Quill board game and think it has a certain value, yay or nay. If you are saying nay, you may have to check yourself. $60 on this brand new condition on Amazon. Another item is cap sandals that are flicking you off because he emotionally thinks you have no value. They're called rip and dip sandals. And if you say these aren't worth jack, this cat's got a message for you. I got these for $3 at a lawn sale, and they're worth 20 to 25 bucks, even though they're used and dirty and gross. These, I don't know how to say it, Fernet Branca. I had never seen these before. I've sold tens of thousands of items. I've been reselling for 10 years. I've seen hundreds of thousands of items. It's another important lesson for another day, no matter what, especially when you're just beginning, that if you don't know what something is, you better be looking it up. I got these for $1 each. I assume they might be some cheap glasses, but I was wrong. These are worth about 35 bucks for the pair. $30 to $40 with shipping for the pair. This old, kind of stinky, there's nothing special about it. It has a nice little golden tree on it. It just says something about autumn. What I noticed is it has this little old vintage Lee tag. They're asking 50 cents for it. I knew this had some value based on experience, and I think it goes for like $25 or $30. I can't remember. I didn't look that one up before starting to record the video. The only reason I learned it is because at one point back in the day I did look it up and realize, oh, so this isn't like as worthless as I thought, as my emotional attachment to what I thought that value might be. Lee sweatshirt punched me in the nuts and taught me otherwise. It does have value, just like you. Don't forget that.